Okay, so we're back. This will be the last two videos, I guess. Now, a heuristic make a systematic or organized list. So let's have an example. The houses of North Street are numbered consecutively from 1 to 60, and how many numbers contain at least one digit. So let's have your step 1 solution. So ano bang step 1 dito? So we need to find what is asked. So ano bang kailangan nating i-solve or anong ginapamangkot. So, what is given? Ano ba yung mga given? So, let's use yung as green again. Right now. How many house numbers contain at least one digit of one digit 5? So, at least one. Take note, at least one. And then, let's see, what is the given? Yung given is numbered consecutively from 1 to 60. So, step 2. Tapos lang, no? 1 to 60. So, tanan, basta may at least 5. So, ano ba yun? O, edi, let's make it a system or organized list. So, make a plan. Yung plan mo, make an organized list. So, this one is um, plan. So, how can we make it? How can we carry out this one? O, edi gawain natin ng list. Ano ba yung list? 1 to 60. O, lista mo. 1, 2, lista ko gali, no? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Actually, you can just solve in your mind, 5, ito, 15, 25, na? Pero di pakita ko na lang isa-isa. Although may mauti para sa inyo, okay lang. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, dapat na lang. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And then next, that is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, ginulan ba? 47, 48, 49, and 50. Ay, salamat. Last na. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So, these are the list. Then, anong ginapangita? At least what? That is at least one. At least one, ay sus, at least one digit 5. So, dapat may 5. So, ito, 5, 5, ganyan, 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 ganyan. And the whole thing. Ito. Yan. Hmm. Yan. So, pila na? Isipon no? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, we have 15 houses nga contains at least one digit nga 5. So, answer is 15. And that is the, you need just to look back on this one. That is your S of 4. And the solution is 15. So, the next is make a systematic, ano ba yan? Make a systematic or organized list of a list and tree diagram or formula. So, let's have an example. Annie has a tree skirt, color brown. So, denoted by BS, white, as white S, WS, I mean, red, RS, okay. So, she has 4 blouses, color blue, denoted by BB, yellow YB, white WB, and checkered blouse, which is CB. So, the question is how many different ways can she match her outfits? Oh, By the way, I will just include um, yung mga ano, yung mga question mamaya dito as your exercises. And I will not send a module, no? So, or just announce naman sa GC niyo. So, S1 or the step 1, we need to find what is asked. So, what is asked is, eto, different ways can she match her outfits. So, yung combination ng mga outfits niya. And given, so kung ikaw damo bayo nga pilian subong nga ilagaw kay holiday, di man gali holiday, sorry. Lagaw ginulan lagaw. So given, ano ba yung mga given? 3 skirts, 4 houses. So those are color, eto brown, white, red, blue, yellow, white, and checkered nga blouse. So, 2. We can use organized list again, a tree diagram, or a formula. For a tree diagram, we just, eto, 3 skirt. Ano ba yung tatlong combination na yun? So, ng mga skirts na yun? That is BS, WS, RS. And then, yung sa kabila naman, that is, ano ba yung mga possible na ano ba yung mga possible combination dito kay blouse na blue, kay blouse nga yellow, YB, sorry, yung white na blouse, and lastly yung checkered na blouse. So ito yung possible. So let's have here ito yung plan na make a tree diagram. We can use also a formula. So formula is one, this combination just 4 times 3. So number of ways. So here, S3. So, yung, let's say, gin-choose ni Annie ang blue skirts. Anong mga possible yung nga imaw? So, that is the blue blouse. Another one, the yellow blouse, the white blouse, and lastly, the checkered blouse. If Annie choose the white skirt, anong mga possible ya? The same thing. Blue blouse, yellow blouse, white blouse, and the checkered blouse. And then the other one, if Annie choose the red skirt, so ano bang possible ng mga ano nun? That is either blue blouse, yellow blouse, white blouse, and checkered blouse. So these are the possible combination. So pila na? So this one, this one. So ano bang mukha nun? BS, sorry. Just erase this one, change to BS, BB. Actually, you can just ano na diretsyo, no? Blue skirt with yellow blouse, blue skirt with white blouse, and blue skirt and checkered blouse, then so on and so forth. You will end up here pila, that is 4 4 4 4. So that is ito 4 dito 4 4 4 plus 4 plus 4, that is 12 different ways. So this is the solution, or you can use the formula. So by formula, the formula of this one is M times N. That is first combination and second. So that is, let's say yung M mo is skirt, yung N mo is blouse. So, pila ang skirt mo? That is 3. Pila ang blouse mo? 4. 3 times 4, that is 12. So, it means 12 different ways. So, this is how to make or to solve the problem solving. Wait lang using a together with heuristic method. I mean, Polya's 4-step method. Charger. Saan? Basig mag-stop ba? Uy. Okay. So, would like to ask, ito. So, this will be your exercises. No? May ano lang to. Like ko muna yung exercises nyo para may solve man ka mo. Ano pa na ako po? Okay na itong isa na. So, exercise. Exercises. Number 1. Hmm, mamaya na rin itong time problem. We can just put the okay. So number 1. So the carpenter is constructing a frame. Sorry, it's a rectangular frame. See, for a rectangular picture, I mean. So if the sides of the pictures have a ratio of, okay, let's make 4:3, and the shorter side mm, 42 centimeter. So how much, sorry, how yeah, sorry, how much pala. How much does the carpenter need to complete the frame? Okay, so that's the first question. So the second question is, So if a car consumes 18.5 gallons of gasoline for, let's say, ilan bang kilometer to? Mm, let's make it miles na lang. 255 miles. So how many gallons will it need? Will need to run 550 miles. Okay, so that's your exercises. Number one. So you still have no, additional. Now, a heuristic, act out, or use a diagram. So on the first day of school, Anne, transferee in our school, is excited to meet new friends. So when she gets inside the room, there are three classmates, Berna, Claire, Doug. So they each shakes hands with every other once and only once. So what is the total number of handshakes? So that is what is asked, right? First question is what is asked, and that is already given. Ito, ang green. And then, uh, given. So what is given? Or what are given? What are the given? So, ito yung mga given. Um, three classmates. Tapos, she need to have an if they. So, the situation if, sorry. Let's make this one a yellow. Hindi pala ma-erase, sorry. Huh? Ito. Ito. Three classmates. Etong given. Tapos, ito yung clue. Once and only once. So, that is, we can use, you want act out. When you say act out, okay, apat ka mo, no? So, makamustanay ka mo once and only once. Isipon nyo dayan kung kapila. So, three classmates. So, here we can just use a diagram. So, let's say yung Annie is A. So, dito si Ann. Sa isang kwarto, pinalibutan siya ng tatlo. So, Berna, Claire, and Dal. So, si Berna will handshake to Ann. So, Ann will handshake to Claire. And the same thing, Ann will handshake to Dal. And si Berna, of course, kailangan mag-handshake kay Dal. The same thing kay Claire. So, Claire will handshake to Dal. So, ilang taon mo, pila na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that is first, this one S3, then S4 is, that is 6 handshake. Okay, so ano? And that's how to solve. Okay. Okay. So, eto na. Another exercise. Number 3. So, number 3 is, ito maganda. So a company has three vacancies for the position of for the positions of, let's say, ano ba, manager, hindi, mas masya, ano, supervisor, na, let's say supervisor, hindi, yung pag-aagawan talaga, uh, data analyst, okay, or data scientist, ayan, para parang bago naman, yan, of data scientist. So, out of five candidates, meron tayong lima. No? Out of five candidates, how many groups of three could be chosen to fill the vacancies? So, how many groups of three could be chosen? Nakaspell out dapat ang 3 pero sino na ano ko na be, to fill the vacancies. So this is another question. And then next, the number 4. Ito, a piece of, ay, ano ba yan? A piece of iron, let's say 80 inches, mate na lang centimeter pala. Centimeter long, cut into, sige, 3 na, 2 lang. Into two parts, two, so such that, so one part exceeds, pila kaya sila? Sige, exceeds the other by 8 centimeter. So find the length of a longer part. Yan. So, that's it. So see you next video.